Ayan guys, oh, i-seal nyo lang. Lagyan nyo sa Tupperware, seal nyo. Ready na yan. Pwede na yung pang 1 week. Pang 1 week ba? 1 day lang to sa amin. Ayan, ready na. Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen again, and it's me, Shell Lemon. So today I'm going to make a chicken salad. Even though I have a previous videos that I have a chicken salad video, but today this is the different one because you know why? This is came from the carryover a rotisserie chicken, or we call lechon manok. Yung mga natira-tira nating lechong manok na hindi na natin makain. So, pwede natin gawing chicken salad. But before we're gonna start, I'm going to show you. This is a rotisserie, or called lechong manok. I chopped this in cubes. And then we need mayonnaise, pickles relish, and then we need salt, pepper, and a 1 tablespoon of white sugar. So ngayon, we're going to mix all the ingredients. We have a rotisserie chicken here that I chopped into cubes. So it's all, you need to take off the bone, of course. Ayan. Then we're gonna put a mayonnaise. You could put like a mayonnaise. This is like, I guess, it depends if you want more mayonnaise. But itansya rin nyo lang guys. Ano ba yun? I-balance nyo lang. Kasi hindi talaga ako nagme-measurement. Mostly hindi ako nagme-measurement. As long na para sa inyo, okay yon yung mayonnaise nyo. Maglagay kayo ng mayonnaise. Sa inyo na yon. Yan. Kapag kulang, dagdagan natin mamaya. And then we're going to add the pickles. Like 2 tablespoons. Ayan. Or dagdagan natin konti. Ayan. Ayan. Ewan ko. I like pickles. And then we could add a pepper para mayroong konting siyang sweet na maanghang. Ayan. And then salt, kasi the rotisserie chicken or the lechon manok, it's already have a taste, or meron na siyang lasa, but you don't need to put a lot of salt. And then we're gonna add our 1 tablespoon of sugar. And then we're going to mix. Ganun lang siya kasimple, guys. Ganun lang yung kasimple. Ayan, mix, mix, mix. And then, pag na-mix nyo na, kung kulang pa sa inyo yung mayonnaise or the taste, you could add what taste that you want. Ayan, and then, okay na to siya. Ready to serve. Eto, done na tayo. Tapos na tayo. And it's ready. Look at that. That I made a rotisserie chicken salad. And we're gonna try. Wait, parang hindi pa makuha. Eto. Okay, let's try. Sarap. Sarap kaya. Isa pa. Last one. The taste from the rotisserie chicken or lechon manok, it's still there. Malalasahan mo pa siya. You could taste the marinated from the rotisserie or the lechon manok. It's still on the chicken. So ang sarap. So either you could eat like that, or you could eat with you could put in a bread to make a chicken salad sandwich. Ayan. So guys, may natutunan kayo today na yung mga natitirang chicken nyo sa lechon manok or sa rotisserie chicken, pwede nyo pang magamit at magawa nyo chicken salad. So if you like the way I made my chicken salad, please don't forget to like and comment to my section comment. And thank you so much. And have a blessed day. Bye!